Dr. Barham and fellow trustees, esteemed guests, faculty, graduates, ladies and gentlemen. As chair of the Board of Trustees of AUIS, it is my honor and pleasure on behalf of the board to convey our heartiest congratulations to you and the graduating class of 2023. We are very proud of your achievement of being awarded a university degree, which we confer on you today and celebrate. As I signed each one of your diplomas on behalf of the Board of Trustees, certifying the successful completion of your course of study, I was aware of the diligence and hard work that has gone into your efforts that has you arrive today. Completing a university degree is a life-changing accomplishment. It confers a status you will always carry, university graduate. I was mindful, too, of the difference your achievements will make, not only for you, but for many others, for your families, your future workplaces, and for the communities in which you will live and serve. After today, you will be known as AUIS graduates. That title, that status, counts for a great deal in this community, this region, this nation. As our graduates, you are well equipped to bring leadership and progress wherever you direct your efforts. Joseph Addison, a 19th century poet and statesman, said this about education: "What sculpture is to marble, education is to the human soul." There is no question that your years here at AUIS graduates have shaped your way of seeing the world and of seeing yourselves in it. Just as the sculptor works to shape the clay, your experience here, both in the classroom and in activities outside of it, have shaped, developed, add depth and culture to the person you are today. And AUIS education provides its graduates with critical thinking and discerning minds, with a broad portfolio of knowledge which brings deeper understanding of the complexities of life, to the social, political, economic challenges this region and all regions face, and to the worldwide threats that face humanity. Going to college isn't just about learning the skills for a job. It's about expanding your mind to bring a broader, more informed perspective to all you encounter in life as you leave behind your AUIS classroom and head into a future that you, like the sculptor, will shape. Kofi Annan, the former Secretary General of the United Nations, said, "Knowledge is power, information is liberating. Education is the premise of progress in every family, in every society." Your AUIS education has provided you with tools of mind and heart to bring progress and leadership wherever you engage in life. We know you will continue to make us proud as you head off into the world that awaits your contribution. Congratulations, graduates, and Godspeed.